Hey everyone! Today we're going to explore how to connect Klaviyo with Excel. If you're new to Klaviyo, don't forget to check out the free trial link in the description below. For those who are already set up, just log in and follow along. To get started, you'll first need to create a Zapier account, which will allow you to connect Klaviyo with Excel. Once you're logged in, head over to the Zapier dashboard. There you'll find a button labeled Create. Click on that, then select Zaps to begin setting up your automation. If you have any questions along the way, don't worry. The Copilot feature is available to guide you through the process. Next, choose both Excel and Klaviyo from the list of available options. Be sure to fill in all the required details on the right side of your screen. If you haven't connected your Klaviyo account to Zapier yet, you'll see a Select option. Click on the Select button, and you'll need to allow the connection. And you're all set. Your Klaviyo account is now connected to Zapier. Now repeat this process to connect your Excel account. You will see a Sign In button. Click on it, and then click Yes to continue to Excel, and your account will be connected. After connecting both accounts, take a moment to configure your settings as needed. When you're satisfied with everything, just click Publish to activate your Zap, and that's it. You're all set to automate your processes. I hope this video clarifies the steps and makes the entire setup easy for you. Before we end this video, I want to invite you to a free training on building your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have been using this method to generate over $3,000 in commissions while growing our list for free. If this sounds interesting to you, just click the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching.